What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest meme coins in the DGen space. My name is Joven. Before we get into the video, I just gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is a very risky and very volatile asset class. Have my channel on screen, Meme Coin Daily, 439 subscribers. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Tamadoge Army, I see you. You guys already read the title, so that's what we'll be covering in this video. Tamadoge. I'll be giving you guys some updates, some tweets that I found very interesting, and I can see Tamadoge, you know what I'm saying, went on a bit of a run yesterday, and we'll cover all of that. Let's head right over to coin market cap, see what we got. Bitcoin trading at 20,446, Ethereum at 1,576, Doge chilling at 13 cents. Now, I was getting into why Tama went on a nice 40 to 50% move yesterday, and the reason for it was because of the OG Dogecoin that Tamadoge more than likely will follow going into the bull market. Dogecoin went from 6 cents all the way up to 15 cents, guys. That is a lot of money that went into Dogecoin out of nowhere. Let's go to the market cap real quick. From $7.8 billion in market cap all the way up to $20.6 billion in market cap. That means there's a ton of money on the sidelines just waiting for the Fed to pivot, just waiting for the Fed to be more dovish, for them to stop raising rates and then reducing interest rates, and all of a sudden the market will go bonanzas. It will go bonkers. Okay, let's go back. So Dogecoin went on a bit of a run. Shiba also went on a bit of a run as well. Let's go to the 1 month. Also went on a bit of a run. Not as drastic as Dogecoin, but you know what will move drastically? Projects like Tamadoge. Let's go to the 7-day because it's smaller time frames. 32 million market cap right now, trading around 3 cents. It's down by 11%. It's retracing after that huge run yesterday. That's normal. Trading volume, $8.785 million in trade volume. Still doing amazing. Now, this is the thing, guys. A project like Tama, you really got to keep an eye on, because you see it was just going sideways, accumulating. We're on the 1 month chart right now. Then we go to the 7-day. It goes from 2 cents all the way up to 3.8 cents. Basically close to a 2x, guys. You know what I'm saying? If you got it anywhere around here, almost a 2x, almost 100% move to the upside. Why? Because Dogecoin started to run. So the money that's in Dogecoin, and they'll rotate a lot of that money into the smaller cap Doge type coins, Doge type meme coins. If it's a dog coin, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be very smart to be in a low cap dog coin going on to the next bull cycle. You see how Tama followed Dogecoin, guys. You gotta keep an eye out for things like this. You know what I'm saying? Tamadoge Army, you gotta keep an eye out for things like this. Now, obviously, after it had that huge run, it's gonna retrace. That's normal. But I could only imagine when Dogecoin is running to $1, what could Tamadoge do? Let's also take a look at some of the coin market cap community replies for Tama. First one we got from Steph. Tama, whole crypto down. Tama up. OG trader. Tama, next push coming. Just look at traded volume of the Tamadoge NFTs on OpenSea. Amazing. Now, people like Marcus are bearish. Tama, invite everyone who wants to undertake legal actions against the scammers behind Tama scam. Luckily, Block and VEFC to join the Discord group who's on my profile. This is the thing, right? You gotta know how to trade coins like this, guys. You know what I'm saying? If you got in the pre-sale of Tama, you were supposed to take your entry and profits up here. anyway on the way up here, and then it retraces down, it comes down. You never buy huge green candles, guys. You know what I'm saying? You never buy huge green candles. I have restrained myself from doing that from ever since I got into crypto and I learned my mistakes. Never buy huge green candles. This is when you buy Tama, when it was retracing back down, and then boom, you made an investment on the accumulation period. Boom, you just got a 2x. You know what I'm saying? Then you take some profits again, it comes back down again, or you could just diamond hand for the bull market, or after the 2x, buying in this accumulation period right here, after this 2x, you take out your initial investment, you let the rest ride on Tamadoge. You see where it goes in the future. If the project does fail, you never lost anything, guys. Now let's hop over to Twitter, see what people are saying about Tamadoge, see the social engagement. Is the project and the community still out there pushing the project? Let's take a look. First tweet we have is from Tamadoge, the official Tamadoge. Tamadoge is back in the top 10 gainers on CoinGecko. Let's go Tamadoge army. You can see it right here pulled up. Top 10 gainers. This was yesterday. It went on a nice run. 132 likes, 43 retweets. Tamadoge community is still out in action. From Crypto Gems, huge account, 363k followers tweeting about Tamadoge. That is bullish. Follow Tamadoge coin and become a part of the best meme coin community in the space. Enjoy exciting weekly giveaways and competitions. Stay up to date with their announcements. Learn more about the upcoming P2E Tamadoge game. And that's another thing too. The game hasn't been released yet. They're still working on the game. Imagine the type of trade volume the Tamadoge coin will get, and the new users that will come to the coin after the game is released. 459 likes, 410 retweets. Nice stuff. Next tweet from Elgat. Tamadoge is a live top 4 transaction volume over 24 hours on CoinMarketCap. So good. And you see, take a look at this picture and let it sink in, guys. You know what I'm saying? Dogecoin running first, Shiba, Dogechain, Tamadoge running with the dogs. I remember it last time in the last bull cycle. Doge started to run, Shiba started to run, and then a whole other bunch of dogs followed. Kishu, Akita, Hawk, Doge. It wasn't just Doge, so keep an eye out on Tama. Next tweet from Ling Zhao. Will these meme coins rise with the price of Dogecoin? Shiba Inu, Tamadoge, Floki, DC, Samoyed coin. You have to keep an eye out, guys. You see, look at the chart. It's kind of blurry right here, but look, Doge ran, Tama ran, Floki did, Sheep did. So if Tama is following Doge, when Elon he fully owns Twitter now, when Elon puts out some Doge tweets, when new retail comes back into the market, you know what I'm saying, and Dogecoin starts to go crazy, everybody's talking about Dogecoin again, just like they did in the last cycle. Keep an eye out on what will follow Doge. Those are the plays you want to keep an eye on, you know what I'm saying. Next tweet from Carl Dawkins. He has a little Tamadoge hashtag confirmed right here. Elon already doing it, man. 16 hours ago. He has a Shiba Inu dog with a Twitter shirt on. Guys, 42 likes, 8 retweets. Next tweet from the official Tamadoge. Hey Elon Musk, we fixed it for you. And then we have a picture of the Tamadoge on the Shiba. Nice to see. Another tweet from Top Altcoins. The total market cap of meme coins is up 22% in the last 24 hours. Again, look at this chart. Look at this chart, guys. Keep a close eye out on this breakdown right here. Doge 161%, Sheeb 34%, Elon 100%, rounded off. Baby Doge 21%, Floki 78%, Kishu 27%, Leash 27%, Tama 47%, Samo 41%, and K-Coin, not a dog, but still gonna follow along, 33%. And then look at all the market caps. Doge is at 21 billion. Sheep is at 7.8, Elon is at 264, Baby Doge 224, Floki 114, Kishu 54 million, Leash 41 million, Tama 36 million, Samo 32, Kate 23. Keep an eye out on these guys, because this is the thing, in a bull market they had so many meme coins that went to billions of market cap, you know what I'm saying, at least a billion or hundreds of millions, you know what I'm saying. It's not crazy to say that Tama being at 36 million could make another 100x move from here. And a final tweet from the official Tamadoge Twitter Spaces tonight at 9 p.m. BST. So they're keeping the community up to date on what they have in store for the project, which is very nice to see. Keeping that communication going, guys. You know, Tamadoge Army, be sure to join the spaces and listen in. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts on Tamadoge. Are you still bullish on Tama? If you hold Tama, let me know your thoughts. Let's have a discussion in the comment section, guys. I really appreciate that. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.